U.S. equities are mixed this morning. As I speak to you right now, we've got the Russell down about 0.5%, the NASDAQ up about 0.5%, the S&P is up about 0.1%, the Dow is down about 15 basis points, so just below the flat line. Looking at last night, the Reserve Bank of Australia left rates unchanged at 4.35%. German CPI came in as expected. Non-farm productivity in the U.S. came in as expected at 2.2%, lower than the last read of 2.5%. And third quarter unit labor costs came out less than half of expectations, up 0.8% versus an expected increase of up 0.9%. It's interesting to note, however, that it was still double last quarter's rise of 0.4%. Looking at yields, slightly higher across the curve, slightly steeper yield curve. The 30-year and the 20-year yield are both up 3 basis points, while the 2-year yield is only up 1. 10-year is sitting at 4.23%. We have 3 straight days of a stronger dollar now. The dollar is strongest against the euro today, up 0.5%, but also close to that against the Swiss and the yen, and up 0.25% against the Canadian dollar and 0.2% against the British pound. Hard commodities are slightly lower as I speak to you right now, with only crude oil up about 0.2%. Looking ahead, earnings today, we're only getting 2 companies reporting earnings after the close with over $1 billion in market cap, with the name all investors will recognize being GameStop. The second $1 billion company reporting today is Dave & Buster's. Tomorrow before the open, 4 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, with the big name being retail giant Macy's. Tonight, data in Japan, the Business Sentiment Index for large manufacturing conditions from the Ministry of Finance will be released. Tomorrow, U.S. CPI coming out. Expectations are for an unchanged core and a slightly higher headline CPI, plus a Bank of Canada rate decision, and tomorrow night, Australian unemployment data.